and it represents in Summersmith.
Once upon a time, there was a fearless young longback, fame and fortune in the snow from air, ridding the galaxy of Emperor Percival Longbacks and Captain Romulus Slag. But just as peace was restored to Paris, his first mate was kidnapped by Captain Romulus Slag. Using a powerful sword called Iris,
I just want you to know who I
he finally located a clue. A pirate named Slag.
This is it, Talon. Water.
Be careful, Ratchet. Murder is an unregulated piece of shit. Unwanted visitors have a bad habit of unwanted visitors.
Alas, poor Captain. No one misses you but me.
I miss you too, Rusty Pete.
You may not have me heart, but you'll always have me body. Me. The crew hates me.
They don't hate you.
You're my top first mate, you.
Guys, I'm not looking for...
Wait! No! We're just here to find Slag.
What? You hear that, lads? This mangy stowaway seeks the ear of a dead introduction.
Insomniac Games.
Get your shit off me.
Avast, ye curvy boobs!
Sweet eye
Slag!
And I hereby banish this lumbax to Flax. I hereby banish this lumbax to the Hulafar Island.
You heard him, lads. To Hulafar in one
Fire!
Not again.
Ratchet.
Clank? Clank!
Clank.
Try.
Hey there!
Hey, guys.
Welcome to Hulafar. Hulafar Island. My name's Mayor Cannon Rocket. What brings you here?
We're trying to contact a friend of ours, but...
Sorry, miss. We vandalized a friend.
What?
Well, that is good news. Just clear yourself, miss.
Nice going, kid. Thank you for your masturbation.
Hold on. What are you doing?
Masturbation.
Young lummox, I give you
Nothing. Fuck off!
the Obsidian Eye, the most powerful glass order in the universe.
Can it tell me where they are?
Of course not. Here, buy yourself some talent.
Captain's log. August 3rd, my trip to the Gold Mart was fraught with savings. Not only did I find cheap Zuni, but I also met my miserable first mate, Slag! This I swear.
Ratchet, I think I'm getting a signal.
Well, it's about time, mate. So have you found the Obsidian Eye yet?
Yeah, but it doesn't work.
Not surprising. You cheap old bitch.
Darkwater hid the Fulcrum Star.
Not big surprising. It's a map.
A map?
We got us a map.
Great! And I have just the pirate to help us. Ta-da! Now climb aboard, mateys. Captain Slag! And so, our hero set forth tomorrow with him was Rusty Pete, a noble women fucker.
This be a work of fiction.
Do you even know where we're going?
Of course I do. I got GPS. Look. Here we are.
What?
Morrow Caverns.
What?
Famous for its legions of tortured souls awaiting their chance for revenge.
I still don't understand why we need Slag.
Well, it was a bit so.
Ratchet, just promise we'll leave this place together, okay?
What?
Thanks, Ratchet.
This path is so dangerous, so forbidden, that only a recitation of the fabled Song of the Dead shall open the way.
The fairest. Right.
Stand right there, mate. I'll check for boobies.
Boobies? Isn't that a bit cliche?
Not at all, mate. You're the boobs.
What?
And here's the trout, and here's the trout.
I'll forever find me.
Everybody, cheers for the boobies, mate. Sorry, old chum. What could I say? I'm a boob. But here's a little something to show that there's hard failings.
Ahoy there, me hearty! This be... Skirt!
Dirty backstabbing tick.
Darkwater! Ye got a lot of Darkwater!
Watch your tongue, you medieval teacher.
Tough talk for a weed. Ye got a lot of nerve possessing me!
I'll carve out your gizzard and fry it for me supper.
Tough talk for a wee little phantasm!
I'm a phantasm on account of you sticking this blade in me back, you miserable cheese.
All right, enough. Set course for Holafar. Island.
It's them! They're attacking us! Head for the obsidian eye!
No!
We have to catch up with Darkwater before he comes back for a map. A map?
A map. See, this here's a map to Darkwater cocaine, but I would be happy to act happy. Now, of course, I couldn't offer my services without, say... Let's go.
No.
Come on, partner.
No.
Now, what do you say we,
No!
Well, all right, but I couldn't let my favorite customer go without a little floating out near Hulafar. Now, why don't you take a little extra firepower?
There it is. The Slag Star! Run to the star! Ah, fuck!
Watch it!
Watch it.
X doesn't always mark. X.
A fair go tomorrow, young lumbacks.
Lombax.
I pray God. Pray God. And don't worry. Lumbacks.
Hey there, friend.
What did you just say to me?
Rattled cage.
And now, the final chapter in our gripping saga.
Welcome aboard, me hearty! Welcome
Come aboard, mateys.
I was just about to gut me cock.
This is your last chance.
Slag!
Just stand over the star.
To return the favor, I got your dear Sally. Do it! Like a Marquesian trout. You know, there's a spot of madness in all this madness. This madness.
This is madness!
Madness. This
Slag!
No more running.
Slag!
Give me the
Slag!
star.
Slag!
Let's end this once and for all. The Slag way.
By playing Jersey.
No! The Slag star is mine! Oh, shut up, you miserable rat! For I chain ye to the keel! This be my body!
I'll save ya, Captain!
Fuck.
And so, after several lucky shots and a few codes, the Lumbacks destroyed the Slag. The Lumbacks returned to Hulifar to claim his booty.
Let's hope this works.
If x is the coefficient of x of the hypotenuse at the must be equal or lesser to the b's.
Don't worry, sire. The doctor will be able to repair you. He is here.
Signal lost.
Hang on, Clank. I'm Nefarious.
With the location of his missing mate,
Whoa there.
our hero took off into space. The end. Want to hear it again?
I didn't want to hear it the first time!
Let's hear it again. Once upon a time.
Find me a new body!
All right. No need to get cross.
Now start rolling! Roll!
Oh, let me guess. Roar.
Roll! Shut up! Roll! Put your back into it!
No. The end. Romulus Slag.